Hi, welcome back. In this video, you will learn how to structure EPS, Enterprise Project Structure. Click on Enterprise from the top bar. Select Enterprise Project Structure. This will open EPS setup box. Click on Add button to add an EPS. Left indent to bring it out. Type EPS ID and EPS name as mentioned in the exercise. Click Add again to add further EPS nodes. Use indents to move the EPS. To copy and paste, select EPS, copy and paste at required node. Finally, delete the default EPS which was present earlier. Click on Display, select Chart View to view EPS in Chart View. Click on Display, Print Preview to preview the EPS before printing. Use Page Setup to print page. Choose orientation of paper size as per your requirement before printing. To know more about printing, refer Printing in P6 video in later modules. Close the EPS setup box. This is how the EPS looks in Projects view. In next lesson, you will learn how to add projects within the EPS. Thanks for watching.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest updates.